guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So as you all know from the title of this video, today's makeup look is specially for Indian newly bride kind of look. So without wasting much time, let's dig into the video. For the first product, I'll be using this primer. This is from Color Bar. This is Flawless Finish Primer from Color Bar. So I'll be using this. That's it. I have already done my skincare. Now for foundation, I'll be using this one from L'Oreal, Infallible in the shade 105 Natural Beige. I'll just take a generous amount at the back of my hand and let's blend it now. Now for concealer, I'll be using this one from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 03. Under the eyes, a bit on the lid as a primer. Forehead, on the bridge of the nose, chin, cupid's bow, and just to enhance the contour line. Let's blend it. Now to set everything, I'll be using this face powder from Nykaa. This is in the shade 03 Beige. Very beautiful powder. I'll be using this with the help of this brush. Now for bronzer, I'll be using this one from Wet n Wild. Very beautiful bronzer. You can see the design. With the help of the same blending sponge, we'll be using this bronzer. Can you guys see how easy it blends? Don't forget to contour your jawline. That's it for the bronzer. For blush, I'll be using my new favorite from Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty Cream and Tint Blush from in the shade Strawberry Sizzle. So recently I have been obsessed with this blush. See the color and pigmentation and blending is just awesome. I'll show you guys. I'll just first blend with hands and then I'll be using the sponge. Can you guys see how beautiful color it is and how perfectly it blends? Wow. I don't think today I need a blender for this. Wow. I'll just use a little bit on the tip of the nose just to give some color. Now for highlighter, I'll be using this one from Wet n Wild again. This is in the shade Precious Petals. Very beautiful highlighter. I'll be using the sponge to blend it. Wow, can you guys see? Just below the brow bone and the cupid's bow. And little bit on the forehead, just to enhance the shine. Now we'll be using this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty, this one. Now I'll be pushing all the products back to the skin again. The last finish of the base. That's it for the base. I have kept the base very clear because the first day of Sasural or few weeks in Sasural will be very hectic due to guest attending and other house chores. So I'm just keeping the base very clear, and now I'll be using this brow pencil from Benefit. This is a goof proof brow pencil from Benefit, and I'll do the brows off camera. I'll come back. Okay guys, I have already done my brows. Now for eyeshadow, I'll be using this palette from K Beauty. Very pretty palette, warm tone colors. So I'll be using this palette. First I'll be using this shadow. The name of the shade is Biscuit. I'll be applying it all over the lid just to make a base for the other shadows. Very pretty color. Can you guys see? It gives a warm tone effect over the eyelid. Very pigmented palette and very pretty colors they have. I'm more of a warm toned girl, so you'll see me using all these shades only. Now for the next shadow, I'll be using this one. The name of the shadow is Brick. The name of the color, I mean, is Brick. I'll be using it on the crease line in a circular motion. I'll be using this. This is a sort of brown. Again, I'll use the previous brush to blend it with the previous shadow. Now for the next shadow, I'll be using this color from the same palette. This is in the shade name Peach. I'll be using my fingertips to apply it. This is a very reddish brown shimmery color. Can you guys see how beautiful the colors are? Now for lower lash line, I'll be using the same previous shadow. This is the brick one, and I'll be applying it with a flat brush. So let's apply it now. Now for the inner corner, so I'll be applying this highlighter, the same highlighter from Wet n Wild, with the help of my fingers again. Can you guys see the difference? A little bit again on the brow bone, just to enhance the eye. That's it. Now I'll be applying kajal and eyeliner. The eyeliner is from Nykaa. This is Black Magic liquid liner, and the kajal is from Lakme Iconic. So I'll be just applying it and come back. Now for mascara, I'll be using this one from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Now for the lips, I'll be using this bullet lipstick from MAC. This is in the shade Velvet Teddy, and to go with the liner, I'll be using this one from Lakme in the shade name Rosewood Forest, number 06. That's it for my whole look, guys. I have owned this beautiful dupatta. Can you guys see the detailing on in this dupatta? Very pretty. My bindi, mangalsutra, sindoor, and some jewelry to go with the salwar suit. So let me know, guys, how do you think this look turned out? I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.